Let's get started. First, extract the zip file. Inside, you'll find the Revit add-in files, the install and uninstall batch files, a start here guide, the application folder. Please leave that one untouched. A sample folder with a sample Revit project, and a documentation folder with the user guide and license details. To install, just double-click install.bat. If you don't have a license key yet, skip that step. You can activate anytime later. The first time you run it, you'll be asked for a license key. Once your purchase is confirmed, you'll receive your key by email. Just paste it into activate.bat and you're ready to go. BIX Corridor Validation shows its results two ways, as a color-coded Excel report and as live color in your Revit view. For the Revit view part, two things need to exist in your model first. One time only, a shared parameter named std underscore corridor status having data type text assigned to the room category. This is what carries the pass or fail value, and a room color scheme named exactly corridor validation built on that parameter, so pass shows green and fail shows red directly on your corridors. The dialog itself is just one input, your minimum corridor width. Enter it in your project's current project unit, or switch to any other Revit length unit if you prefer. One note: if you're working in feet, enter that value as a decimal, not feet and inches notation. Then click Corridor Validation. The app searches every level in the model for any room whose name contains corridor, compares its actual width against the minimum you entered, and immediately recolors your view. Green where it passes, red where it doesn't, across every floor at once. At the same time, a color-coded Excel report is saved to your desktop. Room number, corridor name, level, width provided, width required, and status. Rows are shaded green for pass and red for fail, so you see compliance at a glance without reading a single number. Each row also gets a plain language note: compliant for a pass or minimum width violation, requires design review for a fail. So a fail is never just a number, it's a clear next step. That's BIX, Corridor Validation. One number in every corridor on every floor checked and color coded in seconds. If BIX Corridor Validation helped on your project, let us know in the comments or write to adibimthinker@gmail.com. Thank you for watching and for choosing BIX Corridor Validation